Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am, and here is my daughter. Hi bolo. Hello. Hello. And today she is not feeling well. We have come in our fields, and right now her mother, she is busy getting some grass for our cow. And Sony, she has also come with us. She is also busy doing the same thing. And after some time then we will head back towards our home. Here Ambika's mother is sitting and she is going to feed her because she is crying, and I will show you. There are wheats farm, and in this field irrigation was done. This field was irrigated last night, and in this field there were potatoes, so all the potatoes were harvested day before yesterday. And let me show you this field. Here we have rooted out some onions, and these onions will be used in vegetable while making curry or vegetables. These are fresh onions, and these are potatoes plant. Here we have got one radish as well. It will be also eaten. The plant is so much big, but the radish is so small. And over there is Sony. She is also busy getting some grass for her buffaloes. And here we have made a bundle. My sister-in-law, she has made a bundle. She has got the grass. She has made a bundle, and we will get green coriander leaves as well. So here we have got many in this field, like these flowers will be turned into coriander seeds. Let me show you. All these seeds will be turned into coriander seeds, and this one tree, plant, it will give us lentil, which is called bakla. Here we call it kaloiva arhar ki dal. So we make it. And here is one. Right now you can see the cauliflower in this. It's too small. Here we have cabbage. Today I am going to harvest it. I have just rooted it out. Today I will, not today, tomorrow I will make its vegetable. So this cabbage will be cooked tomorrow in the morning time, and it will be enough for me and my husband and my father-in-law and mother-in-law. I will cook this. And yesterday we have come here, we harvested some potatoes because we were running out of potatoes. So we got some potatoes yesterday. My brother-in-law, he came with us and he helped us to get the potatoes. There you can see over there Rambika and her mother. She is coming. आओ जल्दी आओ. हेलो करो, हेलो करो, बाय बाय बोलो. And here is Sony. तुमको क्या मिला? क्या खाओगी इसको?
नहीं।
And now I'm going to eat this radish. Sony, will you eat it? इधर खाओगी? करू नहीं है? चलो. And right now here I am playing with my daughter Ambika, and we are ready to head back our home, and now I am going to help her mother to put this on his head, and then she will take it, this bundle of grass, and then we will cut it, and then we'll get ready the feed for the buffalo, for our cow, and then we will do some other task. And while walking on these narrow ridges, I just fell down, and it was better that only I was hurted, my daughter was not. I just saved her, and here I was giving mic to Sony so that it will not drop on the way. Now friends, let me show you the flowers of radish. Yes friends, this flower belongs to radish plant, and this is for the very first time I'm just showing you. And now we are crossing these two railway tracks, and this is the reason because of which villages from my village, they face difficulties because they have to get their produces or everything like wheat, rice, potatoes, all the produces which they get from their field, from this side to that side, and it is such an arduous task for us. And finally we have reached our home, and my daughter and youngest brother in law, they have started playing. There is only 1 year is gap difference between both of them, and both of them, they are just like my own kids, so they play with me. They spend most of their time with me when I stay at home. Having reached home, now we have started, like both of us, my sister-in-law and I, we have started cutting this grass which we had got from the farm, and then we will mix it with the chalk, and then we will give it our cow to eat. My grandmother-in-law is lying down and my father-in-law is sitting. So this was my vlog.